Once you're done cleaning your carpets, turn off and unplug your Dual Power Max PET. To remove the dirty water tank, grab the handle and pull it out. Then place it next to your sink, tub, or wherever you want to empty it. Unlatch the lid and lift off the top. Make sure to remove and rinse the filter basket. You can empty the tank and rinse off all 3 pieces under running water and set them aside to dry. Now, tilt your cleaner back and simply pull this latch to take off the Easy Clean removable nozzle. Rinse it and set it aside to dry. The brush rolls have antimicrobial protection and odor block. However, we recommend cleaning them after every use to keep your carpet cleaner fresh. To clean the brushes, just wipe off any debris with a wet cloth. Okay, once the parts are all clean and dry, it all goes back together the same way it came apart. Attach the nozzle cover by hooking these tabs onto the lip of the cleaner, tilt it back, and lock the latch. Next, place the filter basket back into the dirty water tank. Place the lid back on by lining up the tab with the notch. Then tilt it closed and latch it shut. Place the front edge here and tilt it back into place. If you have any questions, please call or visit us at hoover.com.